Holy shit. Ah. Let's see how quick I can put this Banks Derringer in my L5P Duramax. Alright, I just got my Banks Derringer installed. Pulling out of the shop, test it out for the first time. Big boy Hercules. Party time, crank it up. Holy shit. Oh, nice. I knew it was gonna be good, but I gotta say, I'm impressed. One cool feature about this that I noticed is it will not apply power until your engine is up to a safe operating temperature. So that's neat. And now if you watch this little power bar, that's the power being applied by the Derringer. And you'll notice that it drops when the transmission goes through its shift points. That way it protects your transmission. So let's do a little pull and you'll be able to see that. Each shift it drops and then gives me full power when I'm not shifting. Very impressed with this system. If you're just driving normal, it doesn't actually apply power. It doesn't apply power until you reach 35% of your throttle position. So if you just drive normal, it's not adding any power, you know, wasting your fuel economy. It will only give you power if you need it and if you ask for it. So if I smash the pedal to the ground, you'll see the red bar go up. Gives it full power, and then it'll drop back down when I'm not asking for it.